Hello everyone, this is Faith from faithspaceacademy.com and this is our newsletter version for 21st of June, okay? So I am really grateful for the positive feedback that I have received since the last newsletter that I recorded as a video. So you will now receive 4 options. You can actually just read the email as per normal. You can watch my YouTube as a visual newsletter, as a video newsletter. You can listen to the podcast and subscribe to it. So anytime there is a new episode uploaded, you will receive notification, and you can just go to your favorite podcast channel to actually listen to the newsletters in the audio format. And I have also included a transcript along with the podcast. Okay, so thank you so much for all those who have supported me in different ways. Now, today I want to talk about low-cost products. Okay, low-cost products. If you have noticed that there is a surge in $9 offers, be it bundles, be it trainings or different kind of digital products, I think it's all because of the brilliance of this lady, okay, Elizabeth Goddard. She has this course called Small But Mighty $9 Offer, which I actually took up, and just a couple of months ago, she actually ran a live round. So we could ask her on Voxer, we could even submit our $9 offer and she would promote it to her massive list. So there was a great opportunity. But I really want to bring your attention to this offer because what I really love about it is only $9. It is a $9 training teaching you how to create fantastic $9 offers. I guess this is also why, if you have noticed that myself, I have also come up with just 3 of them for now, 3 $9 workshops which has been very well received, okay? It's great because it's so easy to promote, not just myself. It's also so easy for my affiliates to promote. It's easy to buy multiple $9 offer because it's so pocket friendly, right? And it really creates a quick win for your audience. So if you really want to learn about all the juicy details on how to make your $9 offer a hot selling one, then I strongly encourage you to get this training by Elizabeth Goddard. Okay, it's called Small But Mighty $9 Offer. She includes a private podcast feed for the course. So in fact, when I was learning through this course, I actually listened to it while I was driving. And I think it took me a total of 40 minutes in small bite-sized lessons. Okay, so I strongly recommend this. Okay. So I've been talking or encouraging my coaching clients to also try out $9 offer. After learning from Elizabeth Goddard, after selling my $9 offers, and especially to clients who actually want to start selling courses. And I would say go for it and create a small course that you can sell at a low price to get more people buying. Okay, that is so important. So when one of my dear clients told me that she has finally launched her very own low-cost training, I was super excited. In fact, I'm very excited to share with you that Melanie of BeatInspiredLife.com, she has released a brand new $9 training called Convertkit Quick Tips Training. Okay, why is it so awesome? This has been in the talk for months. In fact, I was just asking her last week, Melody, when are you going to release your Convertkit training? I know she's been thinking about it. She's been telling me about all the different lessons she can come up with. And I said, yes, please go ahead. And I'm super excited that she has released it. And well, it's a $9 training, it's a $9 workshop. Okay, so it's super helpful for all of you who use Convertkit, for all of you who want to use Convertkit. This is also very helpful. So she really helps you deal with the common issues that us Convertkit creators, users actually experience. Okay, so if you want to learn more about tagging, automation, setting up rules, or how to use rules in your automated sequences, How, I think this is super important, how to actually make sure your current subscribers are excluded from going through your main welcome sequence. So especially if you're an active contributor to different bundles, right? Every time you have a welcome sequence for somebody who signs up for something that you have contributed to a bundle, they may go through the same welcome sequence. It might be frustrating or irritating or overwhelming for your people who have already gone through the same sequence multiple times. So in this $9 workshop, Melanie will show you exactly how to exclude your current subscribers so that they no longer have to go through that same welcome sequence over and over again. Okay, how to send the same email to different groups of subscribers at the same time, how to set up and automate subscribers who only want to hear from you 1 or twice a week. For me, I send newsletters about 3 times a week, but some of my subscribers, they only want to hear from me once a week. Fair enough. So how do you do that? How do you actually select and exclude those who opt for just once or twice a week? Okay, how do you do that in your Convertkit automations? In a 5-step process, automation template included, and everything you learn, everything in less than 30 minutes. Come on, what have you got to lose? It's only $9, okay? And if you are also a Canva user, then I would strongly recommend that you also add on another $9 offer from the same checkout page, which is called the Canva Organization One-on-One Training. So Melanie will teach you how to actually organize your Canva account once and for all, okay? In all honesty, my Canva account is pretty messy, so I definitely should learn from Melanie. And once again, it's only a $9 add-on. Okay, and this one has 3 step-by-step video lessons totaling to 60 minutes. I'm sure this will be a great reference point to help you get your Canva organized so that it's going to be easier and more efficient when you use Canva to do your designing stuff. All right, so that is my one of the other top recommendations for today. The first one I would like you to look at Elizabeth Goddard's small but mighty $9 offer, and then check out Melanie's Convertkit quick tips training, also a $9 workshop. Talking about low cost offers, the third thing I want to share with you today is Sandra Vanderlee's The Unapologetically Salesy Society. I love the name. Sales should be fun. It should be easy. It shouldn't be a taboo. It shouldn't be avoided, right? Very often I would tell my subscribers and my clients that, well, guys, I'm in this for the money. Flat out honesty, because the truth is I'm raising 3 kids, right? So this online business allows me to be fully present with my children, to be the main caregiver for them, and still make a decent income. So I do not apologize for being salesy. But of course, it's also important. It is very important to me personally that I build a business centered around my audience, my customers, so that I'm always continually striving to add tons of value to you and your businesses. Okay, so that's my mission. But because I'm recommending great trainings, great products that's going to help you, then I shouldn't worry, right? I shouldn't worry about being salesy because I'm actually really recommending good stuff to you. So same thing, if you are trying to recommend good stuff to your audience, you should definitely go all out and be happy and comfortable and confident in selling, okay? So if you lack that confidence, if you get confused, if you get afraid, if you're not sure, if all this sales talk worries you or freaks you out, then please join my mentor, Sandra, in the Unapologetically Salesy Society, all right? Once again, low cost offer, $9 a month. Okay, so you want to keep in mind that in this particular membership, you don't get like new products every month. There is no new products, new courses every month. However, in just the last month, I think it's been about 1.5 months since I joined the society, I've had a bonus day of Voxer with Sandra. So we had one-to-one conversations on Voxer. And I'm also offered a free coaching call, a group call on Zoom, where we're going to talk about sales. We're going to talk about selling, and she's going to help us with coming up with a proper sales plan for our business. So these are super high value offers, but she's been so generously giving it to us members in her USS membership program. Okay, so I strongly recommend, if you want to learn more about selling, if you want to be more confident, if you want to make more money for your online business, strongly recommend you to join me in this group that is run by Sandra Vanderlee, the Unapologetically Salesy Society, for just $9 a month. Okay, but you do get some training, instant access right here, 3 step-by-step bite-sized modules, complimentary journals, and of course the Facebook group, which is very supportive, active, and weekly salesy thread. I do like the weekly check-ins because it helps to keep us accountable, and it reminds us that yes, we should be selling every week if we want our business to grow. Okay, so go for this, just $9 a month. You can cancel anytime, but well, seeing how much value Sandra has been giving us here, I think it's going to be a really long time before I think about canceling. Okay, so I hope to see you in there. So these are the new offers I want to share with you. For Monday, I just want to do a quick recap what I have shared with you on Monday, which is MIMS, the sticker shop plan. It's a very thorough and detailed course that will show you how to create stickers. And not only that, if you look at the course curriculum, you're gonna learn not just the designing and creation part, you're gonna learn the business part, how to actually set up your shop for success, how to design and develop your product range, and how to actually improve your marketing and branding. Okay, so it's a very thorough and comprehensive course that would apply to anybody who wants to make money selling planner stickers, digital stickers, printable stickers online. All right, so why is this so important that you look at this now? Because the price is going to double to almost $500 by 1st July. So if you sign up now, you can actually get instant access by 3 payments of $99 each, or a one-time fee of $247. Okay, so please take a look at this. And another friend of mine, Becky Beach, she is selling an email super sales mastermind program. She is a pro at email marketing. So I've got a very interesting call with one of my one-to-one coaching clients today, and she was telling me she's in both my coaching program as well as Becky's coaching program, and she was actually saying how she loves learning from the both of us, because there's stuff that we share that are different, and yet things that we share, Becky and I, complements each other. So she actually says that whatever that we teach her really helps her in building her online business, and I'm so happy to hear that, you know. So I'm really glad to play a part in my coaching client's journey, and I'm really happy to know that she is benefiting from multiple coaches. Okay, she doesn't only have to learn from one person. Neither do I only learn from one person, right? We learn from many different people, and it's great to hear and learn from the different experiences and perspectives of different content creators. So check out Becky's email super sales mastermind. You can get $100 off, and you can get access at only $47 from now until 25th of June. Okay, and another recap, Amy, 50% off store-wide for all the PLR products. What I want to highlight really is her WooCommerce for WordPress training, and with the 50% discount, you get it at $48.50. Okay, so this is only valid until 26th of June. So check out Amy's store as well, and then remember, just look at either the podcast episode show notes, my email newsletter, or the YouTube video description to get all the links to all the products and services that I have mentioned in this particular video newsletter. All right, so also check out Marcy's back to school products. There's Dino and Friends back to school stickers. There's coloring pages, and also summer bingo, okay, summer bingo template. So all these come with either PLR or master resale rights, very pocket friendly, so check them out also. And just another reminder of one of my $9 workshops, my latest $9 workshop, finding and applying your unique design style. So if you want to learn how to create your own design style idea boards so that you never run out of any design style ideas, okay, for all your digital product designings, then please check out my $9 workshop. Okay, everything you can learn in just 40 minutes, and there is a special, very unique design style idea boards included as well. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section of the YouTube video, or just hit reply and ask me directly, or you're more than welcome to join my Facebook group, where we have a very supportive and active community. Okay, so I'll see you around. Thank you.